Now that same politician, your same favorite politician, is in a city park, an opportunity zone, right? Let's rise up the most suffering among us. Because if they're suffering, it is a sign of disease for all of us when we allow anybody else to suffer. So let's go into the opportunity zones of our world, right? Which is another name for places where most people eat poisonous foods as a regular, where diabetes, cancer, and heart disease are off the charts, where the life expectancy is very low compared to the fancier suburbs where people eat sometimes poison-free food. How logical is that? Imagine when this same politician is in the city parks and they're designing and installing a food forest with hundreds of types of food growing all over the place. All around, there's food abundance where anybody in this park, the homeless, everybody, can go into this park and they can get a nutritious, healthy, and delicious meal. What would that do to the value, the health, the wellness, the abundance of these areas, which are currently, by the way, for those of you thinking of it in monetary terms, they are the vampires of our communities in some ways, not compared to the government, of course. But what I'm saying is those areas are a liability to humanity. They're an expense to humanity. We could twist that by doing this one logical frickin' thing. And the politician is surrounded by a diversity of people from all walks of life and backgrounds. And he's helping them see the light, see the truth, see the abundance, and putting these food forests in city parks and communities all over the world, or all over the United States, right? So in other words, using the exact same resources that are used to poison and enslave and destroy our world, those resources could be used to completely free the health and the minds of humanity. Right? That's the third campaign stop. Get ready for another one.